Welcome guys, this is Amog and welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is going to be a series on nutrition. I don't know what to name it yet, but I guess nutrition series, that would be basic, right? But first of all, let me introduce myself to you guys who haven't don't know me. So my name is Amog Dharekar and I'm a personal trainer, and also I'm studying sports nutrition. So regarding that sports nutrition, whenever I make notes, I have observed this along the years that whenever I make notes for myself, whenever I study, like I don't like to read. Obviously, I read audiobooks on Audible. So I like to hear, and I'm kind of a like what we say visual, not even a visual learner, but I listen and grasp ideas. So I got an idea yesterday that why wouldn't I make a video of myself uttering some what we say notes or some studies on sports nutrition, and make document myself doing that, in which would which would benefit me in the future. Like when I have exams, I can just watch my videos, and this could also help you guys, some of my friends who are studying with me. I will surely share this video to you. It will be on YouTube, obviously. So it will be a great learning experience for me, and it will be great for you. It will help you out. So uh, with the context, what I'm going to do over here with the whiteboard. See, I have a whiteboard at my home. So whatever I'm going to learn, I'm going to share with you guys with my notes. Those are not really word to word with the text, because I don't. Yeah, obviously there will be some things. There will be, in fact, many things which will be word to word with the textbook, or even like the textbook, because those are scientific facts and I'm not someone who can change them. So like the pathways, like the processes in your body, so these things which are constants, so we cannot change these things. So these will be there along the way. But what will be the difference is that you will get to know these through my perspective. So whatever I explain, I will explain it in a certain way where I get to learn, not just memorize it, but I get to understand it. So you would find that really helpful, I guess. So I think I'm going to just get on with the topic of today. Uh, so, starting with nutrition, there comes a question: what is nutrition science? So, from what I know, nutrition science is a branch of science which deals with uh, nutrition. Yeah, obviously, with nutrition, right? And nutrients. So it is something that deals with nutrition and nutrients. Uh, but there comes another question: what the hell is this? What is nutrition and what are nutrients? So we get one more question over here. So what is nutrition? Okay, so I'm going every write-up will be for you to take a screenshot of after I end explaining, right? So what is nutrition? uh, from what I know, nutrition is something you need. It is a process of nourishing yourself. So process of nourishment. I don't. What is nourishment now? Nourishment is what you need for growth. I'll come here. What you need for growth, then what you need for optimal health. Okay, optimal health. Then it is something you need for, yeah, energy. So your body needs energy, right? What is the best source of energy? I'll unveil you that thing later, but where is it? But this is something which is constant. So nutrition is something which gives you nourishment. Nourishment is growth, optimal health, and what gives you energy. So where do you get this nourishment from? This thing comes into play. You get this from nutrition. Okay, so these things are clear. So nutrition. What does nutrition consist of? Yeah, then when we go forward into the videos, you will find out that you have some things which give you nutrition, which give you energy and help you in these things, ultimately nourishment. Those are macronutrients. Okay, so macronutrients. Also in that you have your all three: protein, fats, and my favorite, carbohydrates. You have these things, right? Nutrition, yeah. Yeah, okay. So these are the things which give you, these are the nutrients, you can say so. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but these give you energy and these help you with your body functions. These have functions. Some give you energy, so which can help you to get nourished, for nourishment, and help you get healthy and grow. And there are many functions, right? We are going to discuss them later on, but just let's stick to what is there in context for today. So we get through these. So next thing we are going to learn is it is the levels of nutrition. So let me rub this thing for you guys right now.